Hi everyone! Hey, this workshop is for men and women who want to walk in their destiny today.
We understand the struggles of reaching those breakthrough moments
and conquering the obstacles that seek to keep us small.
We have traveled through the valley
and celebrated on the mountaintop,
suffered seasons of dark clouds,
and pulled each other out.
This workshop is a roadmap
to connect you with the masterpiece that's within
and the Spirit's lavish love.
You learn how to access God's heart and hear His voice
for your life, your career, and ministry.
Life by Design uses comprehensive teaching and activation to get you on a journey of freedom and empowerment
so that you can express the giftings already placed within your DNA
for the transformation of yourself, of your family, your village, and your nation.